Hey guys, my name is James Diaz and today I'm going to teach you how to play Youth by Shawn Mendes on the ukulele. So there's only 4 chords that you need to know for this entire song. It's going to be an F sharp minor, to a C sharp minor, to a D, and then to a B minor. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to play all the different parts of the song for you. The intro, the first verse, the pre-chorus, and the chorus, and the bridge, just so you can see where all these chords are placed in the song, and then I'll teach you a strumming pattern you could use at the end of the video. Alright, so the intro goes, Then you do it again. Then you go to the first verse. Here I am stuck on this couch, scrolling through my notes. Heart is broken, still not growing. Waking up to headlines filled with devastation again. My heart is broken, but I keep going. Then you go to the pre-chorus. Pain, but I won't let it turn into hate. No, I won't let it change me. Never losing sight of the one I keep inside. Now I know it, yeah I know it. Then you're gonna go into the chorus. You can't take my youth away, the soul of mine will never break. As long as I wake up today, you can't take my youth away. You can't take my youth away, the soul of mine will never break. As long as I wake up today, you can't take my youth away. You can't take my youth away. Then you go to the second verse, but it's the same as the first verse, so I'm going to skip ahead to the bridge for you. Alright, so the bridge is basically just the pre-chorus. It's the pain, but I won't let it turn into hate. No, I won't let it change me. Then you repeat that. Pain, no, I won't let it turn into hate. No, I won't let it change me. You can't take this youth away. The soul of mine will never break. And you go back into the chorus. That's basically where all the chords are placed in the song, so I'll teach you a basic strumming pattern you could use now. Alright, so a really basic strumming pattern you could use for this song is going to be down, down, up, up, down, 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 up. So down, down, up, up, down, 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 up. So it'll be down, down, up, up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, up, down, 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 up. Alright, so that's a basic strumming pattern you could use for the song, and now we're going to talk about a book. The Girl with the Train is like the Hunger Games. They're both about girls, and they're both about trains. Only the girl with the train smells like Hollister. The Girl with the Train is better than The Lord of the Rings, in that it's smaller, and it costs less. The Girl with the Train is a magnet punk novel about a girl named Catherine set in a post-apocalyptic world, where the government is evil, and there's a resistance trying to fight said government. So the resistance is trying to take down the corrupt government, but they don't trust Catherine and her friends to do a very good job, so she decides to take matters into her own hands and steal a train from the resistance to go and infiltrate the highest level of their oppressive and corrupt government. Everything ends up going crazy and she has to run away from the corrupt government with the stolen train from the resistance, and she expects no help from the resistance at all, seeing as she stole their train. So I actually read this book. I read it twice actually. I really, really liked it. And if you do get the book and you like it, I want to ask you guys if you can leave a review saying that James Diaz Music sent you. Thank you guys for watching. So I hope that this tutorial helped you, and I'll see you guys in another one.